Here we go, guys. So, building my chicken run, and I got a lot more done on my chicken coop. You see, I put the some vents for underneath. It's like there's my chicken run, 4 foot by 8 foot with the one side slanted roof, and almost done with that. Oh, let's see. Yeah, so yeah, I got the vents for underneath so that the moisture or humidity out of the air underneath can just kind of vent out. So here's where my door, this is where the door is going to be on my chicken run. And let's see, what else did I get done today? Oh, I got it. I put new hinges, different hardware, different hinges than what it came with because they were bad for my egg laying boxes. And so fix that up, silicone sealed all of these areas up here, all those cracks all the way across. They're all siliconed up, and down these edges because those are just gonna rot out. It was, the longest part of this build was just fixing this stupid coop from Tractor Supply. I could have made it a lot quicker if I just did it myself in the first place. But I bought this coop from Tractor Supply, and yeah, it was so cheesy I wasn't even gonna use it. Decided not to until I fixed it, and so I fixed it. And now it's almost done. Gotta do, oh, let me show you another thing I did tonight that I fixed. It's like, you see this gap here? It's like rain and air would just blow right through there and up above in that area there. And so what I did was I went inside and I put that little lip right there to catch the air and the wind and the rain and just drain it down and hopefully drip out. The rain will drip out, hopefully. But that little trim piece I put in on the inside will hopefully catch some of the wind so it won't just blow right on the chickens, because apparently the chickens don't like it. So anyway, did that too. And so yeah, this is about ready to go outside the hen house. I gotta put the roosts inside. I haven't done that yet, but so I'll get the roosts up in here. But yep, we're about ready to put this part outside. It's all painted and ready to go. So yep, that's pretty nice. And we got it all pretty much ready to go for outside. And then yeah, so tomorrow hopefully finish up the chicken run and get this done, get the roof on, and yeah, and then put that outside too. Then I'll show you in a different video, but around this whole thing I got a 80 something foot fence, electric fence, that I'll be putting around the outsides. It's 20 foot by 20 foot by 20 foot around the outside of this, so anything comes up against that electric fence, they'll get shocked and hopefully run away, and they won't even get close to the hen house and the chicken run. But yeah, so I plan on putting that down around the outside of this, and so during the day the chickens will be running around. When I'm at work, they'll be running around in here in their chicken run. This is 4 foot by 8 foot. So the chickens can run around in here during the day. And then when I come home, I can open up that door over there, that door spot. And then they'll run out and they can play around in 20 foot by 20 foot by 20 foot by 20 foot electric fenced in yard, so that they can go run around crazy, whatever they do. But yeah, my chickens are getting big. They're still living in my closet right now. And yep, so gotta get them outside. So I'm about done with this thing. And it's still raining outside, and it's cold. Barely, I don't even think it's 50 degrees outside right now. I think it's like 44 or something. Still colder. But the chickens got a good amount of feathers on them. They're getting pretty big, so I think they'll be able to handle it. So get this done. I was hoping by last weekend, but looks like more maybe this weekend. So anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye bye. Just been rambling. But yep, so there's most of my chicken run and my chicken coop, and yeah, we're almost done. We're getting there. You guys, anybody that's been watching my videos, you can go back several videos and see the progression, where it started from and where it is now. And it's a pretty big difference. So yep, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye bye.